did you find there? Did you find us something new? Raffy, Raffy, the curious Giraffe. Let's discover and explore. Hey Raffy, what's over there?
Another beautiful day in the jungle. Hey, there's Milo the monkey. And Lenny the elephant. Let's go explore some more. Oh, hey look, it's Raffy.
Hi!
Hi, Raffy. What are you up to today?
I'm just looking around.
Do you want to learn something new?
Yes!
Look out, Raffy!
Wow! What is that?
It's okay, Raffy. This is an airplane.
An airplane?
Yes, Raffy, an airplane.
Oh! Airplane! Airplane! An airplane! I like the airplane!
Yes, Raffy. Do you know what color this airplane is?
White?
Good job, Raffy. This airplane is the color white.
I like the airplane!
Okay, time to say goodbye, Raffy.
Okay, bye-bye, airplane!
Goodbye, Raffy.
Bye-bye!
Raffy, Raffy, what did you find there? Did you find us